Good morning, students. Today's topic is very interesting topic, that is finding nature of roots to the given quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? The equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where abc are real numbers and a not equals to 0 is called quadratic equation. Here the condition is a not equals to 0. Suppose a is 0, the first term is vanished. The remaining is bx plus c is equal to 0. It is linear equation, not quadratic equation. So the condition is a not equals to 0 is very important here. Now, what is the root of the quadratic equation? Root means nothing but the solution, that is the answer of x. The solution is minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac whole by 2a. Once again, the answer or the solution or the root is minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac whole by 2a. How did we get this answer? For this, watch our previous video relating to solving quadratic equation by using completing square method. Don't miss that video. Now, here plus or minus, that means we have one root for plus value and another root for minus value. The one root is minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac whole by 2a, and the second root is minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac whole by 2a. Now, discriminant. This b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. This discriminant determines the nature of roots. Generally, the discriminant is denoted with letter D or sometimes delta. If D is greater than 0, that means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Then the quadratic equation has two real roots. If determinant equals to 0, then it has one real root. If the discriminant is less than 0, then it has two complex roots. Once again, D is greater than 0 implies roots are real and different. Real means real numbers. If D is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. That root is minus b by 2a. Look here, determinant is 0. That means b square minus 4ac is 0. That means this total term is 0. So the value of x is minus b by 2a. When discriminant is 0, its value is minus b by 2a. If discriminant is less than 0, then roots are not real. That means not real numbers are called complex numbers. Now come to questions. Find the nature of roots to the following quadratic equations. The first question is 3x square plus x minus 5 is equal to 0. Compare this quadratic equation to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is x square coefficient here? X square coefficient is 3. So a is 3. What is x coefficient? X coefficient is 1. So b is 1. What is constant? Is minus 5. So c is minus 5. Now find discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. B is 1, so 1 square minus 4 into a is 3, So 3 into c is minus 5. Now 1 square is 1. This minus into minus plus 4 into 3 into 6 is 60. 1 plus 60 is 61. You know that 61 is greater than 0. When our d is greater than 0, then roots are real and different. That means quadratic equation has two real roots. Now come to next question. The next question is 4x square plus 20x plus 25. What is A? Yes, x square coefficient 4. What is B? X coefficient 20. What is C? The constant 25. Now D, discriminant B square minus 4AC. Substituting the values, you get 0. When d is 0, you know roots are real and equal. So, quadratic equation has only one real root. That real root is minus b by 2a. That means minus b is 20 by 2a. A is 4, so 2a is 8. Minus 20 by 8 equals to minus 5 by 2. Now, third question. X square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. What is A? X square coefficient, yes, 1. And what is B? X coefficient 2. What is C? Constant 5. Now, discriminant b square minus 4ac. Substitute and simplify. Its answer is minus 16. Negative number. It is less than 0. So, roots are not real. Not real means complex numbers. So, quadratic equation has two complex roots. Another question. X square plus 11 is equal to 0. What? Something is missing here. Yes, what is missing here? The x term. So write 0x. Now the equation became x square. There is no x term. So write 0x plus 11 is equal to 0. Now A, x square coefficient 1, B, x coefficient 0, and C, constant term 11. Now discriminant is minus 44. So roots are not real. That means complex numbers. So quadratic equation has two complex roots. One more question. 4x square minus x is equal to 0. Here also something missing. What is it? Yes, you are exactly right. The constant term. So write constant term as 0. That means the equation became 4x square minus x plus 0 is equal to 0. A is 4, B is minus 1, C is 0. The discriminant is 1. That means greater than 0. So roots are real and different. So quadratic equation has two real roots. Dear students, this is solve yourself questions. Our next video is finding quadratic equation from roots. That means roots are given, then we have to find quadratic equation. If you have any doubts, you can call me. Thank you for listening.